boom, it turned in like a...
And then I told them, let's put water, let's put this in like blue water to make slime. And then I started to do it. They're like, no, it's not gonna work. So then I tried it myself.
Hey guys, I'm Daniela.
And now Mayra.
And this is Daniela and Mayra's channel.
Hey guys, so back to the video. Today we're going to be making slime. But not only by myself, my sister Mayra is here in this video. But I have a special guest, Brianna. So this
Hi, guys.
teaching my friend how to make slime. So all you gotta need is some Elmer's glue, washable Elmer's glue. And then this is from a slime like this. If you guys have slime like this, put water on it, and then it will come like this. So this is gonna be our borax and our concentrator. So then we're gonna be adding, pour in some glue. You wanna pour in the glue?
Sure.
So here you're gonna want to pour in the glue.
And if you guys love slime,
This
totally watch this video. How to make slime.
Oh, it's not open? It's not open? Okay.
We actually made this glue together.
We made that slime. I made that slime with my sister, and then we made these two. But she just all she did is mix. All she did is mix. Right, Brianna, all you did is mix. So this is what got
Okay, that's enough.
I feel like it is.
Okay, now let them mix
Okay, mix it up.
Look, guys, it looks cool, right?
Okay, start it. We're gonna add a little bit more. Okay?
This is not like good, but since someone made it, like the slime made itself.
Because we put water in it.
I put like a dot of water, and then boom, it turned in like a...
And then I told them, let's put water, let's put this in like blue water to make slime. And then I started to do it. They're like, no, it's not gonna work. So then I tried it myself, and it actually came out.
I cannot say that. I said, oh, it will turn out so beautiful green. That's what I said.
Did it.
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm gonna start kneading this.
Okay. And look how it looks now, like nothing but nothing. Okay, here there's a little bit more.
So all we gotta do is start kneading it.
Here, there's a little bit more.
Can you get the edges of it?
If you guys like, which one do you guys prefer? This one or this one?
Comment down below.
Comment down below. I will say I will prefer this one because this one is hers and her sister's. I love it, but I still think that mine looks ugly. It looks like mine are gray.
Okay, so we're done with our slime. Are you happy? Wanna make more?
Okay, now let's show you some more. This is gonna be awesome. I love slime. This is actually my first time making it, guys.
And there's some squirrels coming, if you guys have obviously. And the glues are on sale, I think, right? Okay, that's one. I feel like the glues are on sale.
And share this video with all your friends and all your family. This time, this slime is not going to be too slimy, see, and not too sticky. It's a little slimy, and not too much.
So it's starting to form, if you guys see, look, could you guys see that? Like, it's starting to form.
It starts to form.
Hopefully this comes out. If it needs to
It's starting to form beautifully, guys. Oh my goodness.
Look, guys, it's starting to form.
Oh.
Okay, you want to mix a little bit?
Oh my goodness. See how it's starting to form, guys?
Okay, put up, guys. So
There's the camera girl, huh?
Okay.
Say hi, camera girl. Just kidding. This is the little slime that we made right now. See how pretty. You guys might be wondering
So we're
why.
going to start kneading.
How did these start to color like this? Well, we did not put any color, but we did put markers.
Oh, yeah.
We have a mess over there,
Okay,
you
so we're
can
done.
see.
We're done. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to click the bell and comment down below. Or tell us if you want us to make another video with Brianna, our friend. And I hope you like this slime that we made.
But comment down below what
Slime do you love better?
the most.
Do you love
fluffy slime, sticky slime, or hard
So
slime?
comment also down below which slimes are your favorite from all of these things that we
Careful, this is gonna slime off. Get it slime
made. Okay,
off.
so bye.